So our next problem is find the angle between the lines x by 1 is equal to y by 0 is equal to z by minus 1 comma x by 3 is equal to y by 4 is equal to z by 5. So these are 3D lines. So here dr's direction ratios of the first line are 1 0 minus 1. So we take direction ratios as a1 b1 c1. First line dr's are 1 0 minus 1. Similarly, second line DRs, second line direction ratios are, let us say A2, B2, C2, that is equal to 3, 4, 5. So when direction ratios are given, angle between the lines formula is cos theta is equal to A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square under modulus. So now substitute the values. 1 into 3, that is 3, 0 into 4, that is 0, minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5, divided by, this is 1 square plus 0 square 1 square, that is 1 square plus 0 square plus minus 1 square under root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. So that is 3 minus 5, that is minus 2, modulus is there, so I am taking plus 2. This is 1 square plus 1 square is root 2. This is 3 square 9 plus 16, 25 plus 25 is root 50. Root 50 is 5 root 2. So I am writing directly. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, this 2 and that 2 will get cancelled. So we will have 1 by 5. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 5 implies theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 5 is the angle between the given two lines. And our next problem is x minus 1 by L is equal to y minus 2 by m is equal to z plus 1 by n is the equation of a line passing through the points 1 comma 2 comma minus 1 and minus 1 comma 0 comma 1, then L comma M comma N R. So here this can be obtained directly. So here 2 points are given, 1 2 minus 1 and minus 1 0 1. Here L comma N comma N are DRs of the line, direction ratios of the line. So they are obtained directly. 2 points are given now. So that is x1 minus x2, that is 1 plus 1, 2 minus 0, this is minus 1 minus 1, that is 2 is to 2 is to minus 2. Okay, 2 comma 2 comma minus 2, these are direction ratios. So we can find the ratio also. This is, if we cancel out to 1 is to 1 is to minus 1, therefore direction ratios are 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Okay, these are direction ratios, so I took the ratio here, 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. So our next problem is find the point of intersection of lines x minus 4 by 5 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z by 1 and x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4. So two lines are given. So I can write this as, so first line I can write, so the all three are equal to some t, assume. So let us take x minus 4 by 5 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z by 1 is equal to t. So the next will be 4 plus 5t. Similarly y will be 1 plus 2t and z will be 1 into t, that is t. So for the second line, take x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4 is equal to some s, assume. Here x is equal to 1 plus 2s, y is equal to 2 plus 3s, z is equal to 3 plus 4s. So now for point of intersection, so we equate x and y and z. Okay, so if we equate x's, so that is 4 plus 5t is equal to 1 plus 2s. So that implies 5t minus 2s, 4 minus 1 is 3, that is equal to 0. Similarly equate y's, that is 1 plus 2t is equal to 2 plus 3s, implies 2t minus 3s, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 is equal to 0. Now solve these two using any method, so that will be, so I am using here, so ts1 cross multiplication method. Okay, so take the quotients, minus 2, this is 3, this is 5, this is minus 2. Next, for the second equation, minus 3, this is minus 1, 2 minus 3. So cross multiplication method here, this is t by 2 plus 9, s by 6 plus 5, 1 by minus 15 plus 4, minus 15 plus 4. So that is t is equal to 11 by minus 11, that is minus 1. Similarly s is equal to 11 by minus 11, that is also minus 1. Now substitute ts values. Here t value here you can substitute, or s value here you can substitute. You will get the point of intersection. Therefore point of intersection is, so substitute t value here, 4 plus 5t, that is 4 minus 5, 1 plus 2t, that is 1 minus 2, t is minus 1, that is minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 is the required point of intersection of the given two lines. Okay, so direction ratios of line given by equations x is equal to ay plus b, comma z is equal to cy plus d. So two equations are given. First obtain the line equation here. So x is equal to ay plus b, so this is x minus b is equal to ay, x minus b by a is equal to y by 1, nothing is there, so I can write y by 1. Similarly z is given as cy plus d, here z minus d is equal to cy, z minus d by c is equal to y by 1. So here also y by 1 is there, here also y by 1 is there. So the line equation is x minus b by a is equal to y by 1 is equal to z minus d by c. So it is in the form of x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c is the general equation of line, 3D line. So dr's of this line are a comma b comma c. So it is in the same form. Here dr's of the line will be what? Dr's of line are a comma 1 comma c, a comma 1 comma c. Next problem, find the equation of the line equation of the line passing through the point -3 comma 2 comma -4 and equally inclined to the axis. So if a line is equally inclined to the axis, so that is drs are what? L square plus m square plus, so these are DCs, direction cosines. Okay, so equally inclined means cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus, so we know this, these are direction cosines. Alpha beta gamma are equally inclined means, so that is 3 cos square alpha is equal to 1, cos alpha is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. So DC's ratio is L is to M is to N is equal to 1 is to 1 by root 3 is to 1 by root 3 is to 1 by root 3. So then A is to B is to C. Direction ratios are what? 1 is to 1 is to 1. Okay. So we have a point and we have the direction ratios. Equation of the line is x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. Here x1 y1 z1 given point is what? -3 2 -4. Now substitute the values, you will get the equation of line, that is x plus 3 by 1 y minus 2 by 1 is equal to z plus 4 by 1 is the required equation of the line. Next problem, find the equation of line passing through the point A comma B comma C and parallel to z axis. Okay. So here required line is given that parallel to z axis. So what are the direction ratios of z axis? Direction ratios of z axis are 0 comma 0 comma 1. Okay, so there will be 0. So direction ratios in x direction is 0, direction ratio is in y direction is 0, only in the z direction 1 we take. So now parallel DRs are there, now point is also there, point is given, that is A comma B comma C. So equation of line, so in standard form is x minus x1 by A, that is x minus A by 0, y minus y1 is B, this is x1 y1 0, dr is direction ratio is 0, z minus C by 1 is the required equation of the line. Our next problem is find the length of the perpendicular drawn from point 1 comma 2 comma 3 on the line x minus 6 by 3 y minus 7 by 2 z minus 7 by minus 2. Okay, so we can do this problem in many methods. You can do it in 3D line method, or you can use vector method also. Okay, so in vector method, so this is the line, so here 6 comma 7 comma 7 is the point on the line. So let us assume that point is here 6 comma 7 comma 7. and our 1 comma 2 comma 3 point is here, let us assume. Okay, so let us assume that this angle is theta, and drs of the line are 3 comma 2 comma minus 2. So perpendicular is done. So we need to find this, let us this pm, we need to find pm. Okay, let us take this as a. Okay, so now first find the angle. Let us find the angle. So now drs of ap, drs of ap are what? 6 minus 1 5, 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 3 4. Okay, now drs x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2. You can take any formula, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 also you can take. So these are drs of ap. Now drs of line are 3 comma 2 comma minus 2. Now the angle cos theta formula is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. Earlier in the first problem we wrote that formula. So that is 15 plus 10 minus 8 by root of 5 square plus 5 square plus 4 square, root of 3 square plus 2 square plus minus 2 square. So this is 25, 17 by, this is 9 plus 4 13, root 17. So this is 25 25 50 plus 16, root 66. Okay, this is root 17 by 66. This is cos theta. Now from the triangle apm, we need the value of pm, right? So I am taking sin theta. Sin theta is equal to am by ap, am by, sorry, that is pm by ap, opposite side by hypotenuse, pm by ap. So we need pm, perpendicular. Pm is equal to ap sin theta. So ap is the distance ap. So distance ap, you can use this, drs are there. So distance is the root of 5 square plus 5 square plus 4 square. Now sin theta, how can you find sin theta? Under root of 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is under root of 1 minus cos square theta, that is 25 25 50 plus 16, root 66. This is 1 minus cos square theta is 17 by 66. 66 minus 17, that is root 49. This is root 66, root 49 by root 66. This gets cancelled, root 49 means that is equal to 7. Therefore perpendicular distance is 7. Okay. So our next problem is find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the line joining the points minus 9 4 5 10 0 minus 1 or so here 2 points are given. The equation of line is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. This is the equation of 3D line. So here this is x1 y1 z1. So this is x2 y2 z2. Okay, now substitute. This is x plus 9 by 10 plus 9 19. Next y minus 4 by 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. Next z minus 5 by minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 6. This is the equation of line. Then any, so let us take this as t, any point on the line. What is the any point on line is x is equal to minus 9 plus 19t, y is equal to 4 minus 4t, z is equal to 5 minus 60. This is any point on the line. This is the first point. Let us take A. This is B. This is origin. We need to find the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, so m is minus 9 plus 19t, 4 minus 4t, 5 minus 60. Now dr's of OM are what? X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So here one point is origin, so the dr's doesn't change. That is, now OM is perpendicular to AB. So two lines are perpendicular, then what is the condition? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Okay, now dr's of AB are, we already have, that is 19 minus 4 minus 6. Now dr's of OM are these. Okay, now substitute 19 into minus 9 plus 19t minus 4 into 4 minus 4t minus 6 into 5 minus 60 is equal to 0. This is 1919 is 171, 1919 is 361 t. This is 16 plus 16t minus 6 5 is 30 plus 30 60. So 36 16 for 52, 52. This is 3 4 13 t is equal to, this is 46 46 7, 46 171 plus 46, that is 7217. So t is equal to 217 by 413. So t value substitute here, you will get the foot of the perpendicular m.